Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the sunroof fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So where can you guys expect to find the sunroof fuses? Actually we have 2 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes that we will need to check today. We will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion. What we need to do, we need to open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, here on the driver's side you see that box here. Go ahead, open that cover, and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, for the sunroof here we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check one more. And if you come right here, the fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 1. That fuse right here, if we zoom in, that 25M fuse in our case. Next, open the driver door, and here under the steering wheel guys, okay, on the bottom you see that panel. It goes all the way around to the other side. It has 4 clips, one here, one there, and 2 on the other side of the steering wheel. You need to pull on the top and it will come loose, and it will have like a hinge. You will open it, and on this side here, if you look all the way inside, there is another fuse box that will look like this one. Here you will need to check another fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 27. This one right here. The number will be next to the fuse guys, right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.